Hi my beauties, and welcome back to my channel. First of all, a very happy Republic Day to all of you who are out there watching this video and celebrating the independence and the modesty of the modern women. Today I'm gonna share with you all this saree draping tutorial. It's the modern way of draping the old ethnic wear cotton silk saree, and I hope you all will enjoy this video, and if you will do, then please don't forget to give this video a massive thumbs up. Also don't forget to subscribe, and let's just get started. Take the non-fancy end of the saree and go ahead and tuck it in a regular saree draping way, that is a single circle all around your body. Now there's a reason why I went ahead with a tank top and a petticoat for this look. I did wanted to give the saree a modern touch, still I wanted it to be wearable in the public. So you can definitely go ahead and drape this way your saree in with the help of a normal blouse as well, which shows your waist if you're that comfortable with showing up your waist. But I did wanted you people to see it in the modest modern way. That's why I did went ahead with a tank top or a crop top, because so much of skin show is not something that the sarees do want. So that's why I did went ahead with something like this. Now as you guys can see, I am going to just pleat the saree away and make sure the pleats are in an falling in an asymmetric line. Now a cotton, usually I would have made one more pleat, but in today's drape I did wanted the fall or the pallu to lie loosely. That's why I didn't went ahead and tightly tucked in the pleat. Now here you can see me, I'm just gonna go ahead and arrange the pallu of the saree from where the pleats do start, and then gonna go ahead and I'm sorry, I'm just doing it by mistake, I did forgot, and I am just gonna go ahead and place it over my left shoulder, and I'm gonna pleat the saree very loosely, like literally as you guys can see, the pleats are quite loose and they're falling right very easily, in a flowy manner. And that was the reason why I did went ahead with a tank top, because I didn't wanted my waist to be showing way too much, because that's quite uncomfortable. So you wanna wear something that hides yourself as well as it gives that modern look to the saree as well. So pleating the saree and leaving the pallu loose from the waist, I'm just gonna go ahead and pin it with the help of a safety pin onto my tank top. And that's what you people can see me doing right here. And then going ahead with one more safety pin, I'm just going to pin it right over my right breast to make sure that, because the saree is quite loose, if you will not pin it over here, it will keep on falling throughout the day. That's not what you want it to happen. And then just going ahead and adjusting the pleats of the saree. That's the finished look, you guys. I hope you all have enjoyed this saree draping tutorial, and if you people did, then please don't forget to give this video a massive thumbs up. Also don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, stay blessed. Bye.